7 days ago I started a new YouTube search channel. On the first day of the challenge, this channel had only 4 subscribers, and that was after Rai Kalant. There were more than 30 videos on this channel, and some videos have views in millions. So in this video you will learn what I did in this 7-search challenge, due to which this channel grew so quickly, so that you can also grow your own search channel in the right way. First of all, I had to decide a niche for my channel. For a YouTube channel, there are basically 2 types of niche. I chose the entertainment niche because the growth in this category is quite fast, and trending topics are also easily found in it. Now we have selected the niche, but to upload the content is also basically of 2 types. The first is repurposed content, in which you recreate someone else's video by adding some of your flavor to it, and the second is original content, which means content created by you yourself. I selected repurposed content. Now I have to find viral content in the entertainment niche which I can recreate. So I opened YouTube in a private window and went to sort features. Then I scrolled for 3 minutes to find the most viral niche. To find the most viral niche, you need to take the 20 most viral niches. Now you need to find a niche which is the most common among those 20 viral niches. In my case, most of the viral niches were in the sports niche. After seeing this, I decided that my channel will also be in the sports niche. And in sports, I selected football because it is the most popular game. So my chances of growth are also high. In whichever niche you are interested in, search for viral and trending shots of that niche, because you will have more knowledge in that niche and you will be able to grow your channel. The next step is to create a logo and a banner for your channel. You can create it using Canva, Pixel Lab or PixArt as you like. You can see that my logo and banner are very simple. You also don't have to waste much time on channel branding because they are not giving you the pages. Before I start creating full-fledged shots, I deeply analyze this bottom for a few hours. Which type of videos are trending the most in the industry? What is the style of video editing? And which titles are performing better? After studying all these things deeply, I decided that my shots will be on the best fun moments or highlights, because these are the current trends, because people like to watch the best goals whether they know about that trend or not. Now you have to create your first shots. But wait, by posting such shots, copyright may be involved, or there may be a problem in monetization in future. What is the solution for this? There is a solution for this as well, which you will learn later in the video. Now it's very important that you edit your shots properly, otherwise it will appear under reusable content and you won't be able to monetize it. I personally use After Effects to edit my shots because I'm good at editing it, but you can also use free editing tools like CapCut and KineMaster when you're starting out. Now, to create football shots, first of all, you'll have to find a long video of the video you want to clip. You will use it for your shorts, and you have to simply download that long video. Now let's see what I did in day 1. In day 1, I spent a few hours researching a niche, created a channel, and created a short. Now how much time all these things will take depends on your skills. I have a good amount of experience in making YouTube shorts, so I can create shorts in a simple way. In day 2, I posted a short video and set a rule that I will upload 1 short video every day, because the more shorts you post, the more are the chances that your short will become viral. You have to upload 1 to 3 shorts daily and be consistent on the channel. Between day 3 and day 7, I tested my storytelling skills while making shorts and also tried new editing tricks. You have to pay maximum attention to audience retention and keep proving it day by day, because this is the most important pillar of your shorts. I am going to show you my editing process in detail in my future videos, so that you can create content that is different and unique from everyone else. When you upload consecutive shots for 40 days, then you will know what is working on your channel and what is not. And you have to analyze the analytics of your videos properly, so that you can focus on your content and create more viral shots. Now the time has come to show you the results of this 7-day shots challenge. On the first day I got almost 3 views. On the second day I got almost 7 views. The watch hours graph was also almost the same. But my swipe to watch ratio is very low. I will try to improve this further. Now you can see that my recent shots have received 7.5 views in a day. Even my recent shots were getting good views for a very short time, but then slowly the views started decreasing. This same thing can happen to you too. But you do not need to panic at all, because this is a very normal thing for a new shots channel. because YouTube is testing different audiences for your channel. What is the right audience for your channel? Let me show you how the shots on my second channel look like. But I was performing well when YouTube found the right audience for my channel. Earlier I used to get 300,000 views on each of my shorts and almost 300 likes for one video. But now I get thousands of views and likes on each of my shorts, even though I started that channel just a month ago. But if you are not getting views on your shorts, then there can be only two reasons for this. Either there is something wrong with your shorts, or the YouTube algorithm has not been able to find the right audience for your channel. I will keep uploading videos continuously on this channel so that I can monetize it for the next 3 months. If you want to join this journey, then you can subscribe to the channel. Bonus tip number 1. Imagine, whenever you are scrolling through YouTube, ask yourself a question that whatever specific channel you are watching, how did they reach here? How much time did they take to reach here? How many videos did they upload? What kind of videos did they upload? How did they get the ideas for the videos? What is their editing style? You should deeply analyze every single thing about them. Bonus tip number now. You do not need to think too much about views and likes. Yes, you heard it right. When you are just starting your new channel, views and likes are not that important in different niches. The difference in views can vary. What is important is that you learn something new from each shot and make the next shot even better. What I mean is that how many views your video receives will come. No one can control it. You can only control the quality of your own content.